We have to light the Christmas tree with high voltage so we can say Merry Christmas to everybody. And so here we go. Thank you and Merry Christmas. That's pretty bitchin'.
It is.
I'm gonna call that success.
I like it. Should I turn it off now? It's still under control, so we're good.
Yeah, I don't feel as though we're gonna lose control of this. Unless I sprayed alcohol on it. I kinda want to.
Okay, it's starting to smoke.
Okay, turn it off. I feel that's the
Well, it also cools the pieces, so win-win.
Win-win.